How to convert SUI to USDT on Bitget. First thing you're going to have to do is open up your Bitget application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, you also need to have your account verified, so make sure you do that. Then you want to head over to the option called Add Funds at the top of your screen. So what you're going to have to do here is check if you have an option to add SUI coins. If you don't have it, so you can just go ahead and click on Add Funds, and then from here click on Deposit Crypto. Then you can search for SUI, tap on it, and get the wallet address. So you can send this deposit address to anyone after selecting your network, and you could deposit if you don't have any SUI coins on your account. But if you already do, then you can come back to your home screen and click on the Convert button right below the Add Funds. And then from here select on the From tab you can select SUI, and then on the To tab you can select USDT. Now just enter the amount that you want to convert, tap on Preview Conversion, and then you should be able to convert your SUI to USDT on Bitget. If this tutorial was helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.